Here's how to turn off low data mode on the iPhone. We're going to go into our settings and then we're going to go to cellular. Now inside of here we have cell data options, and inside here we're going to find our data mode. So that's on low data mode right now, and if we tap on this we can actually change it. Standard is the default, so that's probably what you're going to be on. Allow more data on 5G is really only if you have a truly unlimited plan and you don't care about using data. You probably want to keep it on standard mode if you're turning it off of low data mode. And then the other thing to look at is voice and data here. So voice and data might be set to LTE for you. You probably want to have 5G auto on. 5G on just means it's always going to use 5G regardless. 5G auto will kind of go back and forth, only if it needs to use 5G for something. That's also the default. So if you're turning off low data mode and it's not already on 5G auto, that's another thing to change that will make your data faster and not be so slow or kind of feel like it's in that low data mode. But that's how you can turn off low data mode on the iPhone.